In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload and manage files, Squarespace 7.0. To begin, open the page or text area in Squarespace where you want to add a downloadable file. This process is useful when you want visitors to click on a word or phrase and open a document, such as a PDF, zip file, or another supported file type. The goal here is to turn regular text into a file link. Start by highlighting the text that you want to connect to your file. Choose text that clearly tells visitors what they are clicking on, so the link is easy to understand. Once the text is highlighted, go to the text toolbar and click the link icon. This opens the link settings for that selected text. After that, look for the gear icon next to the URL field and click it. This opens the advanced settings, where you can choose different types of links. This is an important part of the process, because instead of linking to a web page, you are linking directly to a file stored in Squarespace. In the left sidebar of the Advanced Settings window, click File. This switches the link type from a standard URL to a file-based link. From here, click Upload File. Your computer file browser will open, and you can select the document you want to upload. This could be a PDF, a zip file, or another file you want visitors to download or open. Once the file finishes uploading, find your newly uploaded file in the list and check the box next to it to select it. Make sure you choose the correct file, especially if you have several files stored in your account. This confirms which file will be attached to the text you highlighted earlier. When the correct file is selected, click Save. Then click Apply to finish attaching the file link to your text. At this point, the selected text is now linked to the uploaded file. It is a good idea to preview the page afterward and test the link to make sure it opens the correct file. This helps you catch any mistakes before visitors see the page. If the link works as expected, then your file upload and link setup is complete. That covers everything you need to know.